To some extent, because your expectations change. Higher you are, you expect too much more, and therefore you have to be taken care of. You see, means this was meant for both ways. This was meant for doctors. I had put that. Remember that if a person comes from a higher strata, you have to take much more care. Their expectations are higher. No, disease is not more. In this case, actual disease is not more, but the expectations are more. So you want more treatment. You see, it is not, the disease does not become, same way I said about the behavior. Now this is important. This is very important even for you. Know what type of person you are. You see, those who have total blind faith in the doctor, whatever you say, doctor, what you say is okay. No, they are all right for the one, but when you are in a very serious illness, you will be in trouble. Because you don't ask questions, you don't doubt at all. Now put it the other way, the last one. The person who keeps doubting, keeps suspecting, Doctor Aisa Kaisa, why are you doing this? I think you are doing this for money. Why this one? Will there be side effects? The doctor is not able to treat you. What does he do? He will give you more and more investigations. He will give you more and more precautions. Okay? Or he will send you to a higher center. He will say, go. मेरे को नहीं मिलते. So, you should be in this category of reasonable understanding. That is, have faith in the doctor, but at the same time have your questions. Ask why, how. Get yourself satisfied. Don't just have a blind faith, but don't keep over doubting also. Okay? That is the attitude you should have for your own security. Now this I have just put, I think it's not important now, but Visik was a very simple person. He said he classified the result of the disease in terms of what you really want. Right? After the disease, after the treatment, how are you? If you are completely all right, back to work, full activity, that means the result is grade 1. This was especially for operations and major treatments from hospital. If you are mostly okay, some symptoms, grade 2. But if you have to go back again and again, then that is grade 3. So Visik made a very simple classification for the doctors. See? Now as I said, this is the initial picture I have told you, but medical practice has become bad. You see, medical practice has become bad and it has become business. And therefore, I have given some important...
Before you proceed, I would like to ask you, are you in some relation with Dr. Gautam Nadkarni?
Pardon?
Dr. Gautam Nadkarni, owner of Sai Hospital?
No.
No, because surname was standing, that's why I thought.
No. So I was telling you about some business rules which have come up. The medicine is science, art and commerce. See, the science part we discussed, art part we have not discussed. But commerce part I am discussing, that commerce has come in. See? And therefore, strange rules have come. You see, that is, the aim of medical practice is to cure rarely. To ameliorate, that means to make you feel better often. But to please always. The doctor wants to please you always. The doctor now never tells you that you are completely all right. So the rule is that you are ill unless proved otherwise. See? The doctor will never tell you nowadays that it's all right, you will be all right in 3 days' time. I have to give you medicines and I have to cure you. See? The treatment is what I know. If I am a surgeon, I tell you operation is the best treatment. If I am the physician, I tell you medicine is the best treatment. See? And today doctor is selling technology, medicines, food products, color, etc. See? Nowadays they say कि ये oil खाओ, वो ये करो. 90% of it is ambak, But we nowadays are telling you, and this is what I told you initially, that doctors nowadays create panic so that you should attend. These are all the dangerous things. Why I have mentioned this very briefly is that because of this, for your own security, you should realize that the disease is getting exaggerated. You understand what I am saying? The disease is getting exaggerated. Pehle we used to think that the disease is... Now if the doctor says it is serious, go the other way, then that means it's a moderate illness. If he says कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, that means it's really mild. So please realize that doctors nowadays exaggerate the diseases too much. They frighten, or you make complaint. You go to court. Therefore the doctor wants to be protective. मैं पहले ही बोला कि ये disease खराब है. So as far as you are concerned and your security is concerned, you can clearly know that these are not. Oh, where is the next one? Where is she gone? Lovelin? The second one, how do I get? Oh no, it has come. नहीं वो 2 लाने का था. ते दुसरं पुढचं घ्यायचं होतं मला. हाँ? नहीं. This is over. That improved 2 I wanted.
यही है ना?
हाँ. So what I was telling you was that remember today that doctors usually exaggerate. I have given you certain simple rules how he exaggerates, you see. But when he says serious, you can usually think that is case one. But when he says this is moderate, jara dekho vagara, it is mild. Okay? Because his tendency today is to tell you more and more, frighten you more and more. See? There is a defense mechanism. Now, when you think of an illness, there are 2 components. One we call as signs and the other is symptom. Symptom is what you suffer. So you say I have got headache, you say I have got stomach ache, you say I have got fever. This is all symptom. And sign is what we actually find. See, when you say you have got some I find a tumor, swelling here, that's a sign. You say you have got fever, I'll put the thermometer and temperature is normal, 98. That means your symptom was fever, but my sign is no fever. Understand? You say my leg is weak, that's a symptom. I examine your leg, I move like this, I find no weakness. So sign is no weakness. But it may be the other way. You say you have got weakness and I find that yes, there is weakness. So there is a symptom and there is a sign. So when symptoms are signs, I mean you have symptoms and there are signs, then that is a serious disease. I am saying, my topic was how to improve your own healthcare service. So you should know the real gradation. So you have symptoms and the doctor finds the signs, that means you definitely have got a disease. Now those minor, moderate, I'll forget. This I have already taken. Do you understand? Now if your symptoms are very grave, I should go back to that. If your symptoms are very grave, that means you have got severe chest pain and the doctor finds that there is something wrong. That means a very serious illness. So I have given the gradation here. Now, it's very difficult to explain, so I'm not going too much in details of that. That symptoms are minor, or symptoms are moderate, or symptoms are serious. You say, I cannot move at all. No, that's a serious symptom, paralysis. And the doctor says, yes, you have